I'm going to show you how to fix Spider-Man 2 stuttering on your PC. For the first step, you need to go to the Windows taskbar, right-click and select Task Manager. Now this window will pop up. All you have to do is to go to the search and type in Steam, and then once you find your launcher running in the background, make sure to terminate it by right-click on it and then select End Task. Once done, you need to deselect the search. After that, expand this Windows taskbar window. I want you to focus on these two processes, which is CPU and memory. Make sure to keep them both below 100%, and the lower you keep them, the better performance and the stuttering issue is going to vanish. To do that, you need to scroll through all of these processes appearing. I want you to identify any useless or process that you don't want to be running right now and just right click on it and then terminate it. Do that as much as you can. After that, close this. Next, go to the Windows icon and then click on settings. Now go to Windows Update bottom left corner, and I want you to ensure that you have installed the latest updates available right here. Even if you do have stuck updates, I want you to go to update history and select the first two options and then scroll down. Select recovery, follow up with the first option. After that, click other troubleshooters. Next, I want you to click on this run button next to Windows Update and see if it works. Otherwise, go back and you can safely select reinstall now. Next, I want you to reopen the Steam launcher. After that, go to library and select collections. Now look for Spider-Man 2, it is very important to be installed. Once you find it, you need to click it. After that, click on this manage icon and click on properties. Now go to installed files on the left menu and make sure to select verify integrity of game files, so any missing or corrupted file is causing the stuttering issue should be gone. Next, go to the search and type in device manager, open that. Once done, look for display adapters and then look for your graphics card that you have, either NVIDIA or AMD. Right click and select the first option. Select search automatically for drivers and then make sure to close all of this. Now for the last step, I really recommend to do before relaunching the game and see if the problem is gone, is to go to the Windows icon and make sure to reset your computer, and that's it.